Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good and absolutely fit and fine. I woke up late at around 6 a.m. in the morning, then read book and wanted to spend some time alone with myself. So thought of not shooting. Now I came to kitchen, cleaning it and then will make myself a cup of warm water.
After 2 days the sun is rising so high and it's so clear, like when you see the sun rising and you see the sunlight, you get a different sort of energy, and that is the reason it is always suggested that one should do morning walk and or evening walk according to the time when there is a sunrise or there is sunset, because the sun has got lots of energy. It is the one source of energy which is giving energy to everyone on this planet. So this is what it looks like today. Come here to put all these clothes. These are all like moist clothes. So okay, I'm not able to see much, so I will come do all my work and I will go because today the sun is slowly rising. Okay, so for many days I was thinking of organizing my wardrobe. Like I have got two wardrobes. This is a newer one which is in the upstairs. So I thought like why not to start doing it, and I can put the clothes also on the sun so that that gets a little bit warmer and smell that doesn't goes away. So I thought let's start today. At least by the end of 2 3 days, one wardrobe will be organized and then I will be organizing the other wardrobe. Currently I will be showing you how my wardrobe looks. Just wait a minute. Here I have put all my drawing paper, art paper. This is the wallpaper which I have used, that is the on my table, that is from Flipkart. I have already provided the link in my description book. These are for all my sarees. I have got 8 sarees, around 7 8 sarees, my gown. So it is here. I have these are also from Flipkart. I have put the link in the description box, so you will check it. And these are all the jackets. This is from this jacket. This is my father's, because in his almare it was in the outer side, so that might get moisture. These are few of my like kurtis. These are few tops. Here there is kachra. Here these are all my night like dresses, casual like home dresses. And here in the downs I have got all my books. 5 in the morning. So before going to bed, okay, so this I have left the clutcher in downstairs. I am not willing to go in downstairs. Going to bath, I do this around twice or thrice a week, either this or basin. So this is, you can see, this is neither maida, this is neither atta, this is rice flour. Yes, I have gone through few of the Google research, because whenever I do anything on my skin, applying on my skin, I go through proper research, because my skin is sensitive, as like the tomato puree which we often throw it away while chopping, right? That my mom's apply it on her skin, she doesn't get any allergy, neither she gets any irritation. But when I apply it on my skin, on my face, then I get terrible, so I don't apply. So before practicing any of my skincare routines which are natural, I do it an experiment, because when you use it directly there will be no side effect. But yes, every product has got side effects, whether it's natural or it's cosmetics or artificial, because everyone's skin, everyone's body, everything is different. So it is not necessary that what is suiting me, what is like what I'm applying and what is giving me results, the same results you are also going to get. But yes, you can try it. This is rice flour, and like you can see right now my skin is all clear, I don't have any pimples or acne, and most of the time my skin stays all like this. Lastly, you know, when you see this like this, there is no makeup, right? There is no makeup, and neither I have put any filter on this while editing. This is the natural look skin you are able to see in front of natural look in front of sunlight, because see, these are few of the bumps you can see, these are the dark circles, all those. This is a natural raw me, right? I'm not putting any filter. Now I will apply this. As this, you can apply it on any part of your skin. We often take mistaken that okay, this is our face, we should apply only in this part of our like basin or any of the such ingredients whichever you are using to only this part. Yes, because the skin is of this part is sensitive, but we can also use it in other areas where we see that okay, there should be some pampering needed or some care is needed. So you can obviously use it, and I have seen the results. So first I will show you how a little bit of water just to make a thin paste of it, so that I can apply it nicely on my face. Just remember one thing, this body is a house to your soul. So the way like we when we keep our guest, when they arrive at our house, right, we try to pamper them, we try to give everything whichever is, you know, special, whichever is good, right? So in the same way, the soul is a guest of your body, right? This body is a house to the soul. So in order to keep yourself very good, it is not necessary that you have to keep it good from your outside, but to make your soul feel good from both internal and external, you have to keep yourself happy, to keep yourself fit. And so these are few of the little things as like you can do to keep this outer house of your soul, you know, look beautiful, so that you can feel good. And ultimately, when you are feeling good, you are actually keeping your soul good and keeping your soul healthy. So because this body has got an age, the organs have got an age. When you get an ailment and you have a disease, ultimately you are going to suffer and you have that disease, and a time will come that when we all will go. But this soul is carried forward, right? We have read in our books that soul is immortal. Yes, it is immortal. The soul is getting carried away. Just in this life, in this birth, I am Mini, I am Suprabha, but I don't know that in my next birth what I will be, right? So I feel like you should talk to yourself. When you're talking to yourself, you should feel that you're talking to your soul, and you should imbibe your soul with so much of goodness, with so much of positivity, with so much of, you know, happiness, that when it is carried forward to someone else's body, when it is taking birth again, it should not be full of guilty pain and all those things. And yes, one more thing I have to show is that it is okay book, but I didn't fully completed that book. But now when I have completed this book, now I will suggest that this book is something which like we can listen from other also, like from other authors, sort of spiritual book. But this book is so short that you can carry it, and it gives you all those little details of your life which you can ponder upon to make your life more beautiful, right? So every person has their bad days and good days, so we cannot judge on that. But this book, I guess, for people like me who are always in a hurry to complete a book and who are looking for something which is shorter, and but yet the successfully like satisfying, and yet the book has got that motto, like you are going to read. When you are particularly choosing a book, you expect something from that book, right? You expect that, okay, these things should be covered, or I should be able to know all these things, right? So if someone is looking to read a book on spiritual and to improve their self, like on personal development, and a short video, a short book where you can just go on and read it whenever you want, and then this book is something you should recommend. I will recommend, and you should buy this. I will provide the link in the description box, and I have also provided the link of other books on all the products which I use from the Flipkart or Amazon's in my description box. You can go and check it out. So see, now this has started drying up. Now I will take water and I will scrub it. Now I will not do it here because it will all messy. And now I will take shower, and I will then meet you. So till then, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back. My bath is over. You can see. I don't know, but I can feel the difference of the skin is so smooth. Okay. So now the most important step, as I mentioned, that after any face pack or scrubbing, whatever you do, need to moisturize. So my moisturization is done. So now I will go downstairs, we'll do puja, and we'll have my lunch. It's already 12:30 and I'm feeling hungry. So let's go. Today in lunch we have pakora, aloo parwal, aloo posto, dal, bhat, and don't mind this because for me, until the dal or the jhol that flows in the plate, I don't feel satisfied. So this is how I eat. So okay, so it's around 5 in the afternoon. My lunch is over, and I'm all full. Now I will sit to edit my video for the channel Suprabha Poddar. For those who haven't subscribed to that channel, then please go and subscribe to that channel. It has already got 15,000 views and 100 plus subscribers. I know you might sound it a little weird, but I know that, and I feel that for every YouTuber, each view and each subscriber count, that is very, very important. So anyways, go and subscribe. I will provide the link in the description box. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please go and subscribe to that channel, and also subscribe to my this channel Mini, and keep commenting and keep sharing and supporting. So anyway, I wanted to share what I bought. So this I bought 2 years old. So yes, this is what I bought. Now what I bought is this jacket. Like you can wear it in a single, or you can just pair it with a sleeveless. You can also wear it loose, and it's still this much. So it's around 1,000. I feel like it's okay, it's good, like the material is good and it's soft. You will not feel uncomfortable, you will not believe the price. It's just 49 rupees from Bazaar Metro. So this is one hanky for my room. This is a, like you can store vegetables, okay, like this. It has got such a air like passage so that air can go easily. This is also around 149. Then set of toothbrushes and a nail polish of this color. This color I didn't have in my collection, so this is one I have in their home, but I feel this is good, like for washing the veggies and fruits, such all things. So matching, I bought it of this blue color. This cost me around 100 rupees, and that cost me around 149 rupees. and a cute little small dustbin for my room. Bread, ginger, all those stuffs. So now I will get freshen up and I will relax. Created this mess. This now I have to clean this, and this is what I have to do because I cannot stay like this with clothes around me. So I have to do this. Let's do it. This is the reason I don't like buying clothes. Why? Because I have so much clothes, but I don't wear it often. Neither I feel like, to style this and that and do all the photo shoots. So I literally hate buying clothes. But what happens is that when you go to a shop and you see like something like this, which you feel like, okay, this is something new to your collection, you end up buying, and then the result is this. Hats off to all those people, like including boys and girls, who have varieties of clothes and they buy clothes and they keep it very organized. Okay guys, this is it for today's vlog, because I made this sudden plan of going to Big Bazaar, or else this would have been done in the evening. It's morning to night routine. Hope you like it, and if you like it, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and also comment down in the section below that what shall I do with this, because this is kept for the emergency purpose, like when there is rain and we cannot put clothes on the terrace. We have got one rope like this placed in front of my bathroom and another here, so that because this room, it's in the top floor, so it gets very humid. So sometimes it happens that if we put clothes over here also, it gets dried up. We don't need to put in the terrace. But this is not looking good in the room, I know, but what to do? So if anyone can suggest anything, then please let me know in the comment section below. And yes, like one day I missed vlogging. Why? Because I was very much busy in household chores, as I said. So from that I got this. This is like, I don't know what it is, but it was like new. It was all covered. So I have thought of putting it as an organizer, and I will put it in my cupboard, and I will see what to do. But soon I need to organize my wardrobe. It is a very, very necessary. So yes, I will do it, and when I will do it, I will definitely show you how I do it. So till then, stay tuned and bye bye. So meet you tomorrow.